Most people think financial freedom starts with more money. It doesn't. It starts with a moment you usually ignore. That moment when you are tired but not tired enough to quit, stressed but not stressed enough to change, busy but not actually moving forward. In 2026, this is the most dangerous place to be. Not broke, not rich, just stuck. You wake up, check your phone, scroll past someone else's success, then go back to your routine. Same work, same expenses, same promises to yourself. And the scary part? Nothing feels wrong enough to force change. Today, I want to talk about why financial freedom in 2026 is not about grinding harder, and why the people who will win this decade are doing something completely different. The problem nobody talks about. Here's what most finance videos won't say. Hard work isn't rare anymore. Everyone's grinding. Side hustles, late nights, weekends. Yet many are exhausted with nothing to show for it. Because effort without direction expires. In 2026, the economy doesn't reward effort. It rewards positioning. Two people can work just as hard. One feels trapped, the other feels free. Same hours, different outcomes. The difference isn't luck or intelligence, it's where the effort is placed. The shift that changes everything. Financial freedom begins the moment you stop asking, "How can I earn more?" and start asking, "What can earn without me?" This is the mindset shift almost nobody makes. In 2026, freedom is built through systems, not sacrifice. Systems that work when you are offline, improve with time, do not depend on constant motivation. This doesn't mean quitting your job tomorrow. It means quietly redirecting your energy. Instead of more hours, more fatigue, you build one system, repeated results. This could be a skill that compounds, a digital asset, a process that scales, a reputation that brings opportunities to you. The goal is not fast money. The goal is less dependent. Why most people never get there. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't fail financially. They settle. They settle for stable income with rising costs, comfort with no leverage, security that disappears when work stops. In 2026, stability without control is fragile. If your income needs your presence every day, you don't own it, it owns you. Financial freedom is not about being rich, it's about being optional. Optional to say no. Optional to slow down. Optional to walk away. And the reason most people never reach that point is simple. They try to change their life without changing how they think about time. The quiet formula for 2026. Let me give you a simple framework. Not hype, not motivation. A filter. Every decision you make from now on should answer one question. Does this reduce my future dependence on my time? If the answer is no, it's not freedom-focused. In 2026, the winners are stacking skills that age well, building assets before lifestyle upgrades, choosing long-term calm over short-term excitement, saying no to distractions disguised as opportunities. They don't look busy, they look boring, and that's exactly why they win. Freedom looks quiet before it looks impressive.
The call to think differently. Financial freedom isn't a destination, it's a direction. You don't wake up free, you remove chains over time. In 2026, the real question isn't income, it's control. If this made you pause, that's not fear, it's awareness. And awareness is where freedom begins.
If this message feels like it hit home, that's no accident. It's your inner voice calling for change. And here's the truth. Staying the same won't get you anywhere new, but taking action will. That's exactly why thousands of people just like you have already broken free from living paycheck to paycheck by following a simple, proven blueprint. You don't need special skills, you don't need a second job. What you need is the right system, and it's already helping over 55,000 members build real financial freedom. So, here's your choice. Close this video and go back to business as usual, or click the link below and take your first step towards stability, freedom, and the life you know you're meant to live. The opportunity is here. The question is, are you ready to take it?